Mabuhay! So magta-try naman tayo ng mga wish boss tsaka live performances ng Beanie as suggested by our mga mababait na subscribers. So salamat sa lahat ng suggestions. So first up is Huwag Muna Tayo Umuwi. Ayan. Sa Wish Boss, Wish USA Boss. So enjoy natin together yung vocals ng Beanie. First time po mapakinggan din yung song.
Wish 1075.
Landing agad. Very soothing. Nakakatawa sila na yung ano nila, serious side. Solid start. Nice, Sheena. Support vocals. Maganda. Vocalet. Woo! Eh. Mika. Pwede yung beat. Wow! So, sa first part ng song, nakita natin ang ganda ng blending ng voices ng lahat ng members. Kakaiba yung texture na pinapakita nila for this song. Specifically yung last part ni Mika, na sanay tayo kasi sa ano niya, sa low voice or low register, pero this time pinapakita niya na kaya niya yung soft tone, soft texture din. And of course, ang ganda ng mga support and background vocals each part. So tuloy natin. Pa, no? Eh. Sobrang bagay kay Aya yung song. Ayan na. Our powerful vocals, makulit. Pakinggan. Nice beats again. With their voices. Ulit. With the guitar solo. Sabi nila may guitar solo daw si Colette. So, baka try din natin yung next time. So, bago nila tayo carry away sa mga birit. Grabe, parang feel ko lumulutang ako habang pinapakinggan. So, kita nga rin natin yung pag-complement ng each other dun sa voices nila. So, parang orchestra, parang choir. Ganon. Ganon ka-talented ang Beanie. Basta ako. Ulit! My! Joe?
Wish closer
Nice soft tone ni Maloy.
on Wish 1075.
And Gwen with the ending sustain. So, ayan. Parang naka-reach ako ng another fulfillment in life listening to that song. And yun, kitang-kita yung strength ng bawat member vocal-wise. So, may iba silang texture, may iba silang tone, paglaro sa voice nila, tsaka sa sustain. So, na-showcase dito sa song na to. So, thank you sa Wish Bus for this opportunity. Next naman natin to try is another Wish Bus, which is Golden Arrow naman. So, napakinggan natin yung MV before. So, excited tayo sa rap parts later. Siyempre sa cool song. So, let's go!
Alright. Hey,
Funky.
let's go.
Solid!
Wish 1075.
Think I've lost my keys again.
Ako.
Madness out the door. It's a Friday night. I'm wishing for a little
Stable.
Under streetlights, 8 p.m. Let's make this one count. No one else but me.
Gwen is so impressive.
Grab the ice cream, go turn the clock. Dance the
Grabe
way
ka,
down,
boses yun sa
don't
MV.
Everybody watch out, the storm is coming your way.
Our strong vocal.
Signs and flashing lights, all of the cliches.
My!
Feeling a little nervous with this moment in our heads. Got nothing to worry about, time to take a chance. We got tonight to ball. We got this golden
Blending. Grabe, mas na-appreciate natin yung pagkanta ng each member. Pero, of course, ayan. Ang hirap pa humingi ng bias, pero taas ng patas si Colette. Lalo na with that control. Siyempre, strong vocals din si Maloy. And enjoy natin lahat ng tones ng other members.
I like
Okay.
it. Let's go. You can bet we own the world. Crown is on our heads. Go check out the road to see.
Grabe, sobrang unique ng voice ni Aya.
1 a.m. Perfect harmony. No one
Kaya rin mag-low ni ano, Sheena.
Grab the ice cream, go to the club.
Consistent.
Dance till midnight, nobody
Satisfying.
Everybody watch out, storm is coming your way. Warning signs and flashing
Get it.
lights, all of the cliches.
Eat it.
Feeling a little nervous with this moment in our hands. Got nothing to worry about.
Ang lakas din ni ano, Mika.
We got tonight to ball.
Eh,
This golden arrow. Grab the ice cream, go to the club. Dance till midnight, nobody know. We got
eh.
this golden arrow.
Sabi nila.
don't care
oh.
about these limits, ready for your test. I got no time for nothing else. I got beauty, got strength on the beat of my belt.
Grabe yun. You can feel the Cebuana swag from Aya. Let's go back.
Gotta catch my breath, I don't care about these limits, ready for your test. I got no time for nothing else. I got beauty, got strength on the beat of my belt. Now it's my time to pierce my way through with this golden arrow. Ain't ever be wasted, yeah, I'm pushing and pushing when I'm on the edge.
Effortless.
Fight it and fight it till I get nothing left. I get it, just be careful, just ignore the bad energy. Nobody can stop me, it's a star belongs to me. I place the crown on my head and told myself, this is my shot. Watch me,
Strong style din.
Every stride, working hard to get to the top. Hope is on the horizon, what being ain't gonna stop. Take your aim, make your mark, fix your eyes on the prize. And stop believing, hold the feeling, that's follow that. It's why we're born to win.
We will repeat that. Ayan. So, feel mo rin yung attitude, positive way sa lahat ng rappers natin. So, lakas ng swag nila. So, hindi lang basta creativity. Sa flows, nandun din yung tamang aggression, tsaka progression.
You ain't gonna stop. Take your aim, make your mark, fix your eyes on the prize. And stop believing, hold the feeling, that's follow that. It's why we're born to win. Whoa.
Grabe sila. Ayan, vocals. Busog na busog tayo, guys. They're going off. Oh my. Joe. Hi. They said vocals. We are vocal queens. So, grabe. Hindi natin first time marinig yun, pero they continue to impress us with their control. Yeah. So, hirap makarecover from that. So, hinga lang muna ako ng konti. Pero yeah, strong vocals and rap skills ng Beanie, as usual, sa Golden Arrow. So, thank you again, Wish Bus, for that. Yung next natin ito-try is, first time din natin marinig, No Fear by Beanie. And this was with One Music live. So, try natin.
Beanie, I'm feeling like I can lose. You get it
Malay, Mika.
over and over. I'll prove.
Sakol kulit.
I'm showing no fear.
The hype.
We're just here to have a good time.
Medyo EDM. Ganda ng ad-libs din.
I'm high in the clouds. That's a new
Wow.
level. Goodbye. No trouble around. We don't stress no one, just a good time.
Nice voice.
Wow. And I won't let you take me down. I'll change my mind. I'm looking at better days.
Ganda rin ng lyrics.
I will always hold my ground and stand upright. I'm going on my game face.
You are.
Feeling like I can't lose. I won't let you get in my way. Over and over, I prove I'm showing no fear. I'm showing
Grabe yung
no
toning
fear.
ulit.
Have a good time.
Si Aya.
I'm showing no fear.
Effortless Maloy. Bago tuloy ni Mika, na pag-work nila yung combination ng EDM tsaka soft voice. Tapos, sobrang ganda din ng harmonization ng members. So, mas nagiging tawag dito complex yung pakikinig natin sa song. So hindi lang siya basta kanta, EDM, kanta, EDM. May ano sila, mga background vocals tsaka ad-libs na papadagdag dun sa enjoyment natin.
You can do whatever long as you try.
Positive.
No matter if you're down, get up, 'cause it's alright.
Grabe yung blending.
I won't let you take me down or change my mind. I'm looking a better day.
So unique.
It's time you're right. Put it all on
Ito ang segment.
feeling like I can't lose. I won't let you get in my way.
Vocals, guys. Low tone by Gwen? Wow! Dito natin yun. Eh, sustain! Pasa-pasa, effective. Paano yun, Joanna? I was out of this world. Grabe. Natin. Ready siya, oh. Lakas!
Showing no
Excited for the drop. Maloy! Oh my galit. Adlib ba yun? B-I-N-I. So yeah. Short but sweet. So na medyo nabitin tayo. Wish na mas mahaba pa yun. Pero gaya ng lyrics ng song, Showing No Fear, hindi sila natakot i-showcase yung nila, strong vocals. So nakikita rin natin na kaya mag-switch ng tones tsaka levels yung mga voice ng each members. So nakatuwa na ma-witness yon sa mga live performances nila. Goes to show na blessing mapanood na live ang Beanie. Hopefully magkaroon din tayo ng chance magawa yun sa future. Pero ayun, excited for more to come. So thank you again sa suggestions and kita-kits!